So imagine having 1 out of 3 parts of a cake and then 1 out of 5 parts of bread, right? How many parts of a fraction or in total do you think you have? You might say your answer is what? 2/8, right? Because 1 plus 1 will give you 2, and then 3 plus 5 will give you what? 8. What do you think your answer is? If you think that is correct, let me know in the comments below. If you think the answer is correct, let me know in the comment below. But if you say the answer is wrong, I guess you are right. So welcome to our channel today. We are Platform TV, where we teach you maths in an easy and understandable way, an easy to understand way. Today we'll be talking about adding fractions. If you have no idea what fraction looks like or feels like or tastes like, we have a video in our description below, the link in our description below, where you can finding the definition and parts and types of fractions, right? And if you've learned that one and you want to go beyond where we are now, there's another video in the description below where we talk about multiplication of what? Fractions. If you are new to this channel, you are welcome. My name is Tutuani, and let's get to our video. So there are 2 methods of solving this. So we can actually do the LCM method, where I find the LCM of these 2 denominators. Now the essence or the important thing when adding fractions is that you have to make the denominators the same. If the denominators are the same, you can go ahead and add this way. But if the denominators are not the same, as in the case where we have above, we cannot add them that way. So I will have to do, first of all, the LCM method, and then maybe a more simpler method of the what? Multiplying through the denominators. So I have a line like this. So LCM of 3 and 5. LCM means the lowest common multiple, because these ones are the first set of prime numbers added or going to be added. We can multiply through by them. This means that 3 times 5 will give me what? 15. And then 15 divided by 3 gives me 5 times 1. I have 5 here. Plus, right? 15 divided by this 5 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. So my answer is what? 8 over 15. Meaning that the fraction 1/3 of cake and 1/5 of a loaf of bread, when added together, all you have is what? What you have is what? 8 over 15. Now that is the first method of what we're doing. So let's go to the second method, right? Which I think, in my own opinion, it's way easier than this other one. So earlier we still have 1/3 times 1 plus 1/5. So what we're going to do, we're going to multiply through with the denominators to give us something that we can, So I'll use this denominator here to multiply every numerator and the denominator of the fraction. I'll use this denominator here to multiply everything with the left hand side. So this one becomes what? Times 3 times 3. This becomes what? Times 5 times 5. And then 5 times 1 will give me what? 5. 5 times 3, 15. Plus 1 times 3 will give me 3. And then 5 times 3 will give me 15. Earlier on I said that when the denominators are the same, we can add the numerators, right? And pick one of these denominators. So my answer will be what? 8 all over what? 15. Because 5 plus 3 is 8. And 15 picked only one is 15. I hope you understood that. So if you want to know more about fraction, please look at the links below to see the video. We've talked about definition of fraction, types of fraction, parts of fraction, and then there's another video that talks about the multiplication of fraction. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like, a thumbs up, and share with your friends. And if you like what we're doing here, please subscribe to our channel, and you turn on the notification icon, and then you will get more videos like this from us. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.